When it comes to window replacement, homeowners are looking for more than just functionality. They want reliability, expert installation, and lasting results. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. has earned a strong reputation for delivering on all these fronts. Their meticulous approach ensures that each project is handled with precision and care, from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough. Let's explore how East Coast Window Installers, Inc. makes sure that your window replacement process goes off without a hitch. Comprehensive consultation and expert assessment. The journey to a flawless window replacement process begins with an in-depth consultation. At East Coast Window Installers, Inc., every customer is treated as a partner. During the initial meeting, expert installers take the time to listen to the client's specific needs, preferences, and concerns. They provide valuable guidance on various window types, styles, and materials based on the client's home architecture, budget, and energy efficiency goals. The team also conducts a thorough assessment of the existing windows and their condition. This detailed inspection ensures that all factors, from structural integrity to insulation performance, are considered before proceeding with any recommendations. Whether it's a simple window upgrade or a complete overhaul, the initial consultation sets the foundation for a seamless replacement process. High-quality products and customization. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. understands that the window replacement process is not a one-size-fits-all solution. That's why they offer a wide range of premium window options, including double-hung, casement, picture, and slider windows, in various materials like vinyl, wood, and fiberglass. These materials are carefully chosen for their durability, aesthetic appeal, and energy efficiency. What sets East Coast apart is their commitment to offering customizable options. Homeowners have the flexibility to select windows that perfectly suit their tastes and complement their home's design. Whether it's a specific color, finish, or special features like low-E glass for better insulation, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. ensures that each replacement is tailored to the homeowner's vision. Professional and skilled installation team. One of the cornerstones of East Coast Window Installers, Inc.'s flawless process is their team of highly skilled and trained installers. The company employs a team of certified professionals who are experts in window installation, ensuring that the job is done right the first time. These installers undergo rigorous training to stay updated on the latest techniques and best practices in the industry. A smooth window replacement process relies heavily on precision during installation. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. takes great care to ensure that each window is measured, fit, and installed perfectly. They follow industry standards and take the time to make sure that no gaps are left, and the seal is airtight, preventing drafts or moisture buildup. With their attention to detail, customers can rest easy knowing that their windows will not only look great but also function efficiently for years to come. Timely and efficient service. Replacing windows can feel like a daunting task for homeowners, but East Coast Window Installers, Inc. works hard to make the process as convenient and stress-free as possible. The company understands that your time is valuable, which is why they prioritize efficiency. From scheduling a consultation to completing the installation, The team works within a set timeline to ensure that there are no unnecessary delays. The installation process is planned to minimize disruption to the homeowner's daily routine. Installers arrive promptly and work diligently to complete the job in the shortest time possible, without sacrificing quality. Their professionalism and efficiency ensure that your home remains safe and secure throughout the process. Post-installation support and warranty. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. doesn't stop at installation. They stand behind their work with comprehensive warranties and ongoing customer support. After installation, the team conducts a thorough inspection to ensure everything is perfect. Any concerns or questions are addressed promptly, giving homeowners peace of mind. In addition to their expert craftsmanship, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. offers a solid warranty on both their windows and installation services. This ensures that homeowners have long-term protection against any unforeseen issues, allowing them to enjoy their new windows for years to come. Customer satisfaction is the priority. Above all, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. places the utmost importance on customer satisfaction. They prioritize clear communication throughout the entire process, ensuring that homeowners are well informed and confident in every step of the project. From answering questions about window options to providing aftercare tips, the team is always available to assist. Their commitment to delivering exceptional results is reflected in their positive customer reviews, showcasing how their meticulous approach to window replacement has transformed homes and exceeded expectations. Conclusion. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. is a trusted partner for homeowners looking for flawless window replacements. From expert consultations and high-quality products to skilled installation and post-installation support, they ensure that every step of the process is seamless. Their focus on quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction makes them the go-to choice for window replacement in the region. If you're ready to enhance your home's beauty and energy efficiency, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. is here to help you every step of the way.